It is very impressive that all of our students have been placed successfully this year before the deadline. We really appreciated your hard work and your effort you've done. And I'm glad that all of our students are in good hands, and I'm confident that they will experience value exchange year with EDUSA support as always. Thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you, and hope to see you in Thailand very soon. See you. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ